All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition. So next to, on the side of something. My books are next to me. My books are next to me. The window is next to me. The window. Yeah. His dog is next to him. My water is next to me on my desk. But also, I am next to my desk. So, desk, I'm next to the desk, and I'm next to the water. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? I was next to him. She was next to me while we drove there. Yeah. How cool is that? Definitely. The dogs are next to each other. Yes. Look, the dogs are next to each other. Definitely. Yeah. We should be next to them. Yeah. We should be next to them. We will be next to them tomorrow. Next to them tomorrow. Why aren't you next to them now? Well, why aren't you next to them now? Any reason, yeah. But can you use next to in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.